What is the basic meaning of EDP? EDP is a program which is directed at improving entrepreneurship in India. The government, they want to boost the small business in India. So what they do, they come out with various financing activities. Business ethics is values which you people have to follow while conducting business. That is, you should not cheat anyone. You should not do any kind of fraud to anyone. That is business ethics. Hello everyone, this is Purna Chandra, Faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram. So the subject which we are dealing with is Entrepreneurship Development for 5th Sem BCom. So this is as per the CBCS regulations which the University of Mysore has quoted for 5th Sem BCom. So these are the different units which you people will be dealing in entrepreneurship development. So the first unit, you will be introduced to what is entrepreneurship, that is introduction to entrepreneurship. In the second unit, it is entrepreneurship development program, that is EDP, that is what different programs which the government has taken forward to develop entrepreneurship in India. Then the unit 3 is regarding financing of small business in India. That is, there are a lot of small business, how the government is helping them financially so that they can make it big. And setting new business and project formulation, that is how a person can come out with idea that is out of box and how he can formulate activities so that he establishes a new business and he becomes successful as an entrepreneur. Then business ethics. Ethics means moral values which you will be following in business. That is, you are not supposed to make any kind of fraud or any unethical things. That is business ethics. Event management and tourism, that is how you can propel or boost students to get into event management so that they can form their career in event management. And tourism also, how you can take advantage of the tourism industry and become an entrepreneur. So these are the 5 different units in entrepreneurship development. So unit 1, it is introduction to entrepreneurship. Meaning, definition of entrepreneur. So what is the meaning of entrepreneur? So entrepreneur is a person who takes risks. He invests money. He comes out with a product and he sells that product for money. He makes profit and he becomes successful. Such a person, you call it as entrepreneur. Then what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship means it refers to all those activities that an entrepreneur takes to become an entrepreneur, like coming out with a new product, hiring people to produce product, investing money in the form of capital, taking risk. All these activities together, they constitute entrepreneurship. And there is also one more thing, characteristics of successful entrepreneur. That is, entrepreneur who is successful will have specific characteristics. So in this unit, we will be understanding those characteristics in detail. Then, functions and role of entrepreneur in economic development. That is, what role an entrepreneur is playing in the economic development of the country. How much he is contributing to the GDP. That is gross domestic product. How much is contributing to the wellness of the society. Such things, such functions and roles of entrepreneur will be understood in this unit. Then who is a woman entrepreneur? So woman entrepreneur is a lady who is self-made. She has come out with an idea. She has invested money. She has taken risk. She has put effort. And she has developed herself as a woman entrepreneur. Now she is doing well. Her business is doing well. She is doing a lot of money. So such a lady becomes a woman entrepreneur. Then rural entrepreneur. Who is a rural entrepreneur? Rural entrepreneur is a person from rural background or a village. So he has taken it as a challenge. He has come out with a new idea of a business and he has invested money and he is doing well. He has come out with a product of rural origin. For example, he has made use of coconut tender and he has come out with a new drink, energy drink. Such persons we consider them as rural entrepreneur. Then agricultural entrepreneur. Agricultural entrepreneur is a person who makes use of agricultural products like fruits and vegetables, and he has done well as an entrepreneur. He has made use of fruits or vegetables. He had come out with the new product or dish which people are liking and they are coming forward to buy that product. Such a person is called agricultural entrepreneur. So you will be understanding the meaning and challenges of these three people, that is women entrepreneur, rural entrepreneur and agricultural entrepreneur. So this is regarding your unit 1. So next we will be going for unit 2, that is entrepreneurship development program. What steps the government has taken to develop entrepreneurship in India? We will be understanding in details. So meaning, objective, importance of EDP we will be understanding. So what is the basic meaning of EDP? EDP is a program which is directed at improving entrepreneurship in India. So institutions doing EDP in India. So what are the different institutions doing EDP in India means? There are certain government recognized institutions which carries out EDP programs. So such institutions we call it as institutions doing EDP in India. For example, DIC, CEDOCK, SSI, NISC, EDIT, AWAKE, KVIC and RUTSET. So all these institutions, they are monitored by the government and they carry out entrepreneurship development program for people in India. So, and also in this unit you will also be understanding what is industrial estate, meaning and importance. So this is regarding unit 2. You people will be understanding how entrepreneurship development programs are carried out by the government and other supporting institutions. Third one, financing of small business in India. So what does this basically mean? The government, they want to boost the small business in India. So what they do? They come out with various financing activities. We will understand one by one. Financing of small business in India, institution and non-institutional assistance, that is SFCS banks, SIDBI, NBFC, meaning and schemes, and venture capital. We people will be understanding what is venture capital in this unit. Then also we will be dealing with bills discounting, factoring, state and central government subsidies and incentives, SSI, that is existing. Recent industrial policy of 2011 also will be dealing in this unit. And also PM Mudra Yojana, which has been initiated by the Prime Minister of India to boost small scale enterprise or small business. Meaning, objectives, procedure for obtaining loan under Mudra, everything will be dealing in unit 3. This is regarding unit 3, which is dealing with improving small businesses in India. Next we go for unit 4, setting up of new business. So in this, forms for small business, that is what are the different ways a small business can be started. The first one is small proprietorship, that is single person will start, he will carry on the activities, he is the only owner who takes risk and he is the only owner who can take the profit. And they can also be partnership, that is minimum 2, maximum 20% can come together and they can start a small business. Private company, cooperative society, all these things, meaning and nature. Apart from that, you people will also be understanding project formulation, project report, meaning of project report, importance, general format of project report, project appraisal, financial, technical, marketing, social feasibility study, obtaining license, clearance certificate, registration procedure. So all these things will be understood regarding setting up of new business to boost entrepreneurship. In Unit 4, you will be dealing with these topics. In Unit 5, you will be dealing basically with business ethics. Ethics is nothing but moral values which you people have to follow. Business ethics is values which you people have to follow while conducting business. That is, you should not cheat anyone, you should not do any kind of fraud to anyone. That is business ethics. So you will be understanding ethics in business, importance, various social responsibility of an entrepreneur towards customer, supplier, government and society. What is social responsibility? Social responsibility basically means doing something to the society, like helping the poor, sponsoring education to poor kids, giving healthcare facilities or giving healthcare to people who cannot afford treatment, or giving free library to poor kids. Such things will come under social responsibility. So here the entrepreneur, they can keep a part of their profit, 5 or 10% of their profit for social responsibility. That is the meaning. So here you also will be dealing with self-employment, recent trends in the areas of self-employment like event management. That is, there is no compulsion that after your education you have to do certain work. Like what you have studied, based on that only, there is no compulsion that you have to study this and do that particular work. You can also get into event management. Event management means certain events like marriage or parties you can arrange, and in turn you will be well paid by the persons who want the event to be carried out. Meaning and areas of business in event management, that is organizing parties, catering. What is catering is your food catering. Also you can start wedding plan and corporate event plan. So these things come under event management. That is, you can become an event manager where people, if they want to do any event, they'll contact you so that you can manage the event in a very successful way and you can make money. So next it is tourism. Tourism is also a very good area where you have got scope to become an entrepreneur. You can arrange for trips for heritage sites inside India or abroad or any holiday destination, and you can make it work out for you. Like what? Meaning of tourism, tourism products also you can use. And also the last topic is e-marketing. What is e-marketing? E-marketing is nothing but your electronic marketing. That is, if you come out with any product and you want to promote it, then you can make use of online portals, whether it is social media or any other domain, and you can market those products, and people, they have a look at your product online and they can order it online and they can get their doorstep deliveries. This is e-marketing as self-employment opportunity. So these are the different things which you'll be understanding in Unit 5. So these are the 5 units which you people will be dealing with, and the syllabus of all these 5 units will be contained in these books. That is Entrepreneurship and Small Business Management by C.B. Gupta and Kanka, Entrepreneurship Development by C.B. Gupta and Srinivasan, Entrepreneurship Development by Shankaraya. So the entire 5 unit syllabus is available within these books. Thank you.